Welcome, here I've got Motorola Edge 20 Lite and let me show you how to record slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more modes of this camera. And now let's focus on video category. Here we have to simply tap to slow motion. Here we are. Now we can start recording this type of video by tapping on this big button at the center, the shutter. So let me start to show you how it works. And now let's stop by tapping again on the shutter button. To see the video, let's move to the right one that follows us straight to the gallery. And here we can play our video by using the center button. So this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.